One sick passenger, thousands trapped at sea. So, how exactly does a cruise ship virus outbreak happen? For this video, I'm going to be using the current hantavirus outbreak as the example. The cruise ship in question is the MV Hondius, a 2019 polar expedition ship created by Oceanwide Expeditions. The ship set sail like normal, leaving Ushuaia, Argentina on April 1st, with 175 people on board. On April 11th, however, signs of caution began to arise as the hantavirus takes its first victim, a 70-year-old Dutchman. 3 days later, the ship docked in Tristan da Cunha and one person disembarks. Then, on April 24th, the ship arrives in St. Helena, where another 32 people disembark, including the wife of the first victim and his body. The wife flies back to South Africa, where she then dies 2 days later. On April 27th, 2 people are evacuated from the ship, with one later confirmed to have hantavirus. But what exactly makes hantavirus so deadly? While hantavirus usually only spreads between rodents, a unique strain found in South America has the ability to spread between humans. This unique version is called the Andes strain. The Andes strain of hantavirus is dangerous because it is able to spread between humans when in close proximity. After infection, symptoms can take up to a month to appear, making it virtually impossible to keep track of people infected with it. While this sounds scary, it isn't the first Andes strain hantavirus outbreak. Over its 30-year existence, roughly 3,000 cases have been documented, most of which in South American countries like Chile and Argentina. What makes this outbreak significant today is its timing. After the COVID-19 outbreak in 2020, most of us hear virus and start panicking. However, most experts agree on one thing: this isn't the next pandemic. On May 2nd, the third victim dies. The ship then docks at Praia Cape Verde, where 3 more people are evacuated. 4 days later, the ship arrives at Tenerife in the Canary Islands. Here, 122 members and passengers are evacuated and flown home. Their destinations are shown here. The MV Hondius is still currently sailing and expected to dock in the Netherlands on May 17th, where the remaining passengers and crew will disembark, and the ship will be decontaminated. Cruise ships like the MV Hondius are especially difficult places to have an outbreak because passengers live in shared spaces for weeks at a time. People eat together, share ventilation systems, and touch the same surfaces while moving between countries, all before symptoms even appear. This is what makes them difficult to track and prevent. Cruise lines, however, are starting to adapt, with some adding hospital-grade air filtration, onboard illness testing centers, and upgraded sanitation systems. All these new additions are designed to slow outbreaks before they can even spread across the ship. But, as the MV Hondius situation shows, stopping an outbreak at sea is still far more complicated than it sounds.